Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Highlander tire. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Find a flat, stable area away from moving vehicles, engage your parking brake, and activate your hazard lights. Next, locate your spare tire, the vehicle's jack, and the lug wrench. Your owner's manual also contains specific instructions for your model, which can be very helpful. Now, let's get started. Before lifting the vehicle, use your lug wrench to loosen each lug nut by turning it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. Do not remove them yet. Once all nuts are slightly loose, place the jack securely under the vehicle's frame, following the specific points indicated in your owner's manual. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is fully clear of the ground. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and then carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set the flat tire aside. Next, lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the vehicle. Push the spare tire onto the studs. Once it's seated, place the lug nuts back on and hand tighten them until they are snug against the wheel. Now, slowly lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire makes contact with the ground, but the full weight is not yet on it. At this point, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star or crisscross pattern. This ensures even pressure. Finally, lower the vehicle completely to the ground, remove the jack, and store all your tools and the flat tire securely in your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.